Why explosions on other planets cannot be heard on the Earth? Since no material medium is present on the space between the planets and the Earth, so the sound of explosion on the other planets cannot propagate up to the Earth. When a stone is thrown on the surface of water, a wave travels out. From where does the energy come? The energy of the surface wave spreading on the surface of water comes from the kinetic energy of the stone shared by the water molecules on which it falls. Why does sound travel faster in solids than in gases? The speed of sound through any medium of bulk modulus k and density rho is given by v is equals to root of k upon rho. The value of the ratio k upon rho is much looks like p is much higher for solids than that for gases. That is why sound travels faster in solids than in gases. The value of the ratio of this one is much higher for solids than that for gases. That is why sound travels faster in solids than in gases. How is it possible to detect the approaching of a distant train by placing the ear very close to the railway line? Sound waves travel much faster in solids than in the air. Moreover, due to high elasticity of solids, sound waves do not lie out in solids as soon as in air. This makes possible to detect the sound of a distant approaching train by placing the ear very close to the railway line. If a person places his ear to one end of a long iron pipeline, he can distinctly hear two sounds when a workman hammers the other end of the pipeline. How? Sound travels 16 times faster in iron than in air. So the person hears two sounds, the first one traveling through the iron pipeline and the second traveling through air. Ocean waves hitting a beach are always found to be nearly normal to the shore. Why? Ocean waves are transverse in nature and spread out in the form of concentric circles. When these waves reach the beach shore, their radius of curvature becomes so large that they can be treated as plane waves. Hence, the ocean waves hit the beach nearly normal to the shore. In which medium do the sound waves travel faster, solids, liquids, or gases? Give reason. Sound waves travel in solids with highest speed. This is because the coefficient of elasticity of solids is much greater than coefficient of elasticity of liquids and gases.